Hey folks, what's going on now?
You know what time it is.
That's right, you know what time it is. Time for KP Video News, and what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to do a repair video here, and so I'm going to do a video on how to change the cabin air filter on a 2014 Cadillac CTS Coupe. And as anybody out there that has a Cadillac CTS, those particular cars that in 2014, what they did was they changed the sedan, and basically the coupe stayed the same for 2014. So in order to change the cabin filter, you have to use the same filter for the 2012, 2013 models, and those ones they have to be, you find the access to those that are under the hood. So this is right on the passenger side of the under the hood. And what the first thing you have to do is you have to remove the rubber, the little rubber molding, and pull that back. And then you have three small bolts here, and you want to get those out. And you need a 7 millimeter socket to get those out. So I'm gonna set my camera down, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to get those out right quick. Quickly as I possibly can. And show you how to get this filter out here. Cause see, if you go over to your local Cadillac dealership, or your local Chevy dealership, or your local GM dealership, they're going to charge you a lot of money to get this done. And the filters themselves don't really cost that much. I was able to procure a package of two filters for like, I believe it's like $14. A two filters in a package from Amazon for like 14 bucks. And so it's like, hey, it is what it is, folks. Sometimes you got to shop around. You can find these things. You can go to AutoZone and Pep Boys and O'Reilly's and all these places to get these parts. However, you can save even more money by going to someplace like Amazon and buying it from Amazon, and then that way, hey, the more money you save, the better. Because this particular job that I'm doing right here, right now, if you went to the dealer, I guarantee they'd be charging something like 65, 75 bucks to change this air filter, this cabin air filter, when you can do it yourself at home. Takes only a few minutes to knock it out. And so I'm going to show you how it is. It's only 3 screws. Took me a couple of minutes to get them little screws out. However, this is what you do. You got the screws out. Now you just take this little piece, pull that little piece out, and your filter is down here. Your filter's down in here. See this little holder thing right here? So just pull back on that. So you see this little thing on the top? They got like a little groove that it fits down in. Fits down in there right here on the end. That little hole. Just pull back on it, and then here your filter is. Cabin filter is right here. Pull up on it. Cabin filter. There your cabin filter is. So I'm gonna show you right quick. I'm just gonna put this one back in and just show you how easy it is to do. Slide the new one back in. Pop the cover back on. Pop. Put this back on. Pop. Put the screws in. Pop, and there you go. There you have it. So that's you know, I'm saving you some money now. So now you can, you know, turn your friends on to that, or if you want to try to make a little side hustle, hey, you can do it yourself, you know. And hey, it is what it is. You know who it is?
KP's video news, baby.
That's right.
You know what time it is.
Doing a repair video. All right.
KP's video
That's right. Don't forget, that's the COUPE 2014 CTS COUPE cabin air filter replacement. All right, peace.